MicroCaps are precision-bore glass capillary tubes cut to a predetermined length. MicroCap tubes require a bulb assembly for handling and dispensing. To begin, insert one tube into the amber tip end of the bulb assembly. Ensure the capillary is inserted past the end of the seal and visible through the clear glass tube. While taking care not to cover the hole located at the top of the black bulb, place the capillary into the sample. It will fill automatically by capillary action. Allow the sample to fill the entire length of the tube to ensure the desired quantity is collected. To dispense, cover the hole at the end of the bulb and gently squeeze the bulb until the entire sample has been dispensed into the desired container. The bulb assembly is reusable and should be retained for use with the remaining MicroCap tubes. MicroCaps are available in sizes ranging from 0.25 up to 100 microliters.